AI automation for beginners. In other words, how to get robots to sell anything for you. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and the purpose of this video is to show you that this is actually much easier than most people think. And the reason I say that is because you won't have to do any coding or learn anything complicated. I'm going to show you everything you need to know in this short video. You don't need to know anything about AI already. You don't need to learn how to build a website. You won't have to learn how to edit videos or be a social media superstar. You don't need to have any experience with marketing whatsoever, and you won't even have to show your face at all, of course, unless you want to. So real quick, go ahead and comment yes on this video if you are willing to try something new, because that's what I'm going to be showing you here in the next couple minutes. So real quick, I also want you to understand that easy does not equal fast. I hate to be the one to break this to you, but this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, I haven't found any of those that work, not a single one. But when I do, I promise, I will tell you. So this does require a few hours to set up yourself, and that's assuming you already know what you're doing. Could take a lot longer if you don't, but that's the goal of this video. So this can also be set up for you with a few simple clicks, and if that's something you're interested in, go check out AICashPlan.com. You don't even have to watch the rest of this video if you just want all this done for you. So this will take about 15 minutes per day, every day, to keep the system running. And I want you to know that nobody makes six figures overnight. You're not going to go from making no money at all to making $100,000 overnight, or potentially even in the first year. It's important that you understand you're going to need to stay consistent for a long period of time to actually make money with what I'm showing you here. But the beauty of it is artificial intelligence does all the work. So once you get this set up, there's really not much to it. Another important thing to understand is it doesn't matter what you sell, or in fact, if you have anything to sell at all, because this system can even sell itself. I'm sure you'll understand once I explain how it works in the next couple slides. So one last thing to note before I get started with the exact process is a little AI goes a long way. We won't be dehumanizing anything. We're not removing ourselves from the equation. In fact, what we're doing is using AI to build more personal relationships with more people faster than humanly possible. So instead of dehumanizing our sales process, we're going to superhumanize our sales process. So what are the exact steps? I just want to get straight into this and make sure you understand. So here's how this works. The first step is to download the free checklist linked right below this video, for the simple fact that it has all of the tools you're going to need to make this happen. The next step, step 2, is to create a simple landing page that collects leads. So obviously, if we want to use automation to follow up with people and sell our products, we actually need a list of people to sell these products to. So that's the purpose of the landing page. So then once you've got that set up, the next step is to drive traffic. And you can do that a variety of ways. You can use videos, you could use paid ads if you have the budget, you could use social media marketing, or good old-fashioned SEO. It doesn't matter. The point is, once we send the traffic in, the whole rest of this process is automated. And here's how that works. Once someone opts in, we're then going to forward those leads to our sales page directly. So they give us our email address, then boom, immediately they're sent over to your sales page or your affiliate offer or your drop shipping store, whatever it is that you're trying to sell with this automated system. That's where they go as soon as they opt in. But then the gold is in the next step, step 5. This automated system is going to follow up with your leads using an automated sequence of messages that can be as long as you want. I recommend 30 days, but you could be lazy and do a week. You could go crazy and do 90 days or 365 days. But the last step is to collect your AI-generated profits, because all you have to do is send the traffic into this system, and then it does the rest of the work. So here's exactly what that looks like so you can get a better idea, right? I said you can use videos or you can use ads. Again, this could be social media posts, this could be your blog, whatever, but we're going to get the traffic from somewhere. If you're doing this for free, you'll probably be using short videos. If you have a budget, you'll use ads, but either way, the traffic is going to then be sent to our landing page. And like I said, as soon as they put their information into the landing page, they're sent over to the page that can potentially make you a profit by making you a sale. But if they bounce from this page and they don't buy your product the first time they see it, that's okay, because now the system is totally automated. So if you look at this, this is all AI generated content. After they've opted in, they're going to get a series of emails, SMS, that's text messages, and voicemail drops, which are all going to bring them back to your offer, to your sales page, to your services, to your drop shipping store, to your affiliate offer, whatever it is that you're trying to get them to buy. They are now getting that message over and over. So what this does is this automated sequence, these AI messages, multiply your chance of making a sale by however many you create. If you create 7, you have 7 times the chance of making a sale. If you create 30, you just 30x your chance of making a sale. So if you're with me, comment yes below this video so I know that you understand how this works and just how simple it is. You see how all we do is send the traffic? All we do is this first step. We run an ad, we create a video, we create a post on social media. People see that post, and then they come to this page, they opt in, and AI literally does the rest. It literally contacts them 7 times or 30 times or 100 times saying, hey, buy this product, it's awesome, you need it, you are already interested in it, let's make a deal. So here's how to use the checklist. Remember I said there's a checklist linked right down below this video. If you don't see a link below this video, you could just head directly to AIcashplan.com and grab the free checklist, and then you're going to want to start your free trial of this automation software. They actually let you use this software for 2 weeks, so that is plenty of time to send some traffic, get some people into it, and see just how easy it is and how many sales you can close on autopilot. So essentially this software is going to pay for itself if you take advantage of the free trial and don't delay and actually start doing this right away. So once you grab your free trial, the next step is to actually build your landing page. Once you've built your landing page, you're going to create an automated sequence of messages using ChatGPT, using AI. Remember I said AI has, a little bit goes a long way. We're not completely automated this process. All we are doing is using AI to help us write messages faster. So we're basically going to click a button a bunch of times, generate a bunch of messages, and then copy and paste them. That's the next step, step 5. Copy and paste your AI generated content into an autoresponder. Why? So that AI can do the work for us. So then step 6, drive traffic using short form video. So this is assuming that you don't have an ad budget. Like I said, ads are the easiest way if you have the money, but if not, you're going to use short form video. And if you need some help learning how to do that, you can head to profitpassively.com where you can check out my membership. Every course I've ever created about getting traffic is there, but specifically you're going to want to check out my short form content course. It's going to show you how to create viral videos that get a ton of views, get you thousands of people seeing your offer every single day. So if you need help driving traffic with short form videos, check out profitpassively.com. And then the last step is to just use the AI video tool if you're lazy. Again, at this checklist at AIcashplan.com, in addition to the automation software, there's a bunch of other AI tools, including a really cool AI video tool, which again is going to let you click a few buttons and generate videos that promote your landing page, which ultimately promote your products. It's going to do all that on autopilot. So I want to reiterate, all you do is send the traffic, and then AI and automation do literally the rest, all the way up until making the sale and the money gets deposited in your bank account. So if you want to create a system like this, a system where all you have to do is run an ad or all you have to do is create a video, and then AI will literally sell your products for you, like I said, head to AIcashplan.com. So what kind of results can you expect using a system like this? Well, here's a screenshot from my account the first 2 weeks after I set up this system. In the first 2 weeks of having this set up, I had 90 people opt in to my email list, and those 90 people got over 400 emails, over 300 text messages, so that's 700 messages to these 90 people right there on autopilot in the first 2 weeks. And this doesn't even include the voicemail drops that these people got from me personally, again, from the automated system, which puts the number of outgoing messages at over 1,000. So everyone who's opted into this list already in the first 2 weeks has got over 10 messages from me in one way or another, emails, text messages, voicemails, all reminding them to buy my products, and I didn't have to do a single thing to make this happen once it was set up. So what is the absolute easiest way to do this? Well, the easiest way is to just don't do it. Pay someone else to do it. In other words, me, I'll do this for you so that you don't have to. And if you take that option, you could have this set up in 7 days. No matter what you sell, it doesn't matter. I can sync this up to your existing business. I can hook it up to an affiliate offer for you, or I could even set this system up to sell itself. If that's something you're interested, just let me know. So again, I've generated over 12,000 leads doing this for myself and sent over 1 million automated messages since I started getting involved with automation about a year ago. You can also get an insane price on this software, and that's over 50% off if you act fast. I'm talking in the next few days. The price for this is going up very shortly, so if you're looking to have someone just do all of this for you, so all you have to do is send the traffic and get the profits, like I said, head to AIcashPlan.com. Whether you want the checklist to just do it yourself or whether you want me to do it for you, that's the first place to start. So learning all of this would take you months on your own. I know because I did it. And setup would take you weeks. Even after you spent months learning how to do it, you're actually going to have to go do the work and set this up. So you could just have a clone of my already proven funnel like I showed you on the last slide. In the first 2 weeks, it got 90 people into my list and sent those 90 people over 1,000 messages. So if that's something you think can help your business, once again, head to AIcashPlan.com. And other than that, that is the entire process explained. I told you it was going to be much simpler than you could ever imagine. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to click the thumbs up button. It takes me quite a bit of time to make these videos. It only takes you a split second to make one click. And what that's going to do is show the video to more people that it can help. If you want to see this content as soon as I put it out, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and turn on notifications so that you see the videos as soon as possible, which is going to let you take action before your competition. So that about wraps it up. I hope you take action. I hope you automate your sales process so that you can save time and make money. Once again, my name is James Jernigan, and I will catch you on the next AI video.